You know, it does. It's a very fine chip. You know, this is the grade of chip alone is just something else. This is like really good quality to me. I think there's more value in a product like this. Anyway, so this is destined for my garden. You can see the pile here, it stretches all. We were shooting all the way to there, you know, and you can see it shoots much further when you feed it like a, you know, solid wood, like, you know, those nice solid pieces. You can see that's all of this. Is hardly any leaves here, but it also fires it very far if you've got the chute opened. And if you've got the chute opened and you're doing this light stuff, it will still try and make a pile very close. I'm not concerned about that. The thing is, it does a good job.